Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 20 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here, a little bit bent out of shape, but it should work just as well. So once you get this, which can be found in the box with the device that it came in, what you want to do is pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device, so right over here. As you can see, once I push it in, the tray pops out a tiny bit. Now this is a little bit too short, but doesn't matter. Never mind, I guess it does matter here. Let's try that again. There we go. So once you take out the tray, you have space for a single SIM card and single SD card, or two SD cards, or not SD cards but SIM cards. So if you want to go with dual SIMs, you would kind of put one over here instead of the SD. But if you're planning to use one of each like I am, then you want to move it into a smaller area and then place the SD right over here, like so. Now make sure that they are laying flush on the tray, which for me they are. There we go. And then while actually holding it securely, you want to insert it back into the device. There's nothing really holding those cards in place, so if you flip the tray over, they will simply fall out of it. There we go. Now once you insert it, there we go, there's the pin for the SIM card. That is at least in my case, because I do have a pin protected SIM card. So let's confirm that, and obviously it's going to automatically change the language to the SIM card, which is Huawei's most annoying, unreasonable thing that they do. So if you're one of those that just got completely bamboozled and put in a language that their device wasn't running in, because that's not their language you selected, let's go into the settings and combat this stupidity here by going into settings like I just showed you, which is if you're unaware how to look for it, because the entire phone is in a completely different language now. What you're looking for is this gear icon, as you can see right over here. And from there you want to go, I believe, all the way down to, let me quickly try to find it. Maybe it's going to be in system. Yep, it looks like it's going to be in system. So look for the blue icon with a phone and a gear icon next to it. And then go to language, and right over here, which is a third spot. Then language and region right at the top, and you can see there's going to be only one language, because Honor and Huawei just decides to completely yeet out of existence the previous language and substituted the one for the SIM card. So let's tap on the add button and then find our language that we're using before we inserted the SIM card. So I'm looking for English, and then it will pop up this window right here. So you want to select change, which is going to be on the right side right over here, and as you can see, it automatically changes it back to our desired language, so we get back to where we were before. But yeah, that is basically how we would insert a SIM card and also get rid of the stupidity here that is implied on you by Huawei and Honor. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.